Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix the Facebook error that says you cannot use this feature right now problem. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and search for Facebook app, and now tap on the Facebook and click on the Facebook and force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back and now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. First calendar, allow, back, all locks, allow, back, camera, allow, back, contracts, allow, and another location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, turn on and back, phone, photos and videos, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to your Play Store, search for Facebook and check update your Facebook app. My Facebook app already updated. Or another option, now uninstall your Facebook and again install your Facebook. Okay, go back and now open your Facebook app and see. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.